Welcome to another short. Instead of the usual gameplay, I'm here to talk about some changes I will make for this channel. First, as you may see, I changed my channel name, but I didn't change my handle. So if you want to find me, search at Lord Ophthalmons. The next thing is about my content. As you may know, I mainly do Die of Death gameplay, which I will continue to do. But now I'm going to start to play another game, The Forge. For The Forge, I will be starting a Noob to Pro short series, where I will progress each short until I become one of the strongest players. And I might also do tips and tricks vids for The Forge too. That's about it for the changes. Well, I hope you enjoy my new content. See you at The Forge. Bye!